Practice problem 3. Okay. So this one is like backwards because it doesn't start with the variable, but that's okay. I want the y by itself over here on side 1. There's a negative 14. So how do I get rid of a negative 14? I add. We always do the opposite. So we're going to add 14 on both sides. 14s are gone. I have a y. So I have a negative 3 and a positive 14. So this is basically 14 minus 3. If I flip it around, 14, 13, 12, 11. Is it positive or negative 11? Well, I have 14 positives and 3 negatives, so my 11 is positive. To check it, I'm going to plug in an 11 for my y. And 14 minus 11 is 3. But I have more negatives, so it's a negative 3. Checks out. Final answer, y equals 11. Practice problem 2. Everything here is positive, so this is an addition problem. I want this a by itself. Getting rid of this positive 25 by subtracting 25 on both sides. So a equals 13 minus 5 is 8. 3 minus, so a is 18. To check it, I plug in the 18, and I need to add 25 to it. I don't like it looking like that, so I'm going to put the 25 down here. 8 and 5 is 13. 2, 3, 4. 43 equals 43. It checks out. Final answer, a equals 18.